NUP, the last time I remember this issue was under discussion, we had called them upon to come to us so that we have an input in the planning processes. And even now, the call still stands that in any arrangements they have or they intend to have, they should reach out to police for joint planning so that we have orderly exercises or orderly events. Every event organizer you are seeing, every time you see musicians, you see politicians, you see big crowd pulling events. Behind those events, there is usually some security meetings which are usually held. And not only security, but organizational meetings. I know that even them, when they are going, wherever they are going, they plan. So we are saying, can we be involved in the planning processes so that we have a smooth exercise?